Hello everyone, welcome back to Global Studio YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to repeat one of the old video in AutoCAD 2025. And this trick is very important one because this can literally save up to 90% of your time when measuring multiple lines or shapes in your drawings. If you are working with irrigation layouts, pipelines, electrical plants or any other drawings with tons of lines, this trick is going to be a big relief for you. So stay with me till the end and watch the video completely and make sure you do not miss any topic because I am sharing some important tip as well in between. So without any delay, let's jump in and start the video. As you can see here, I have different lines with different colors and I want to measure the length of one particular colored line all at once instead of measuring each line individually. So how can we do that? The first step is to separate all these lines and place them in one area. To select the lines, click one of them and check the color or the layer of that line. For example, this purple line shows a magenta color and it is on the layer main pipe dia 75. Now simply right click and choose the quick select option. A selection window will appear and in this window you will find many options. Under apply to, select entire drawing. Under object type, choose multiple since we need all types of lines. Under properties, choose the method based on the common property of the purple line. We have checked two common properties earlier, the color and the layer main pipe dia 75. You can select either one. I will select the layer main pipe dia 75. Under operator, select equals and under the value, select the exact layer of the line. This color or layer must match the properties we have checked earlier. Keep all the other options the same and click OK. Now some of the purple lines will be selected in the sketch and you can separate them by moving them aside. Some purple lines may still remain in the sketch and we can select them using their other common properties. As you can see, these lines have the same color. So we can use that property to separate them and move them to one place. Likewise, you can separate all the lines using their common properties. Once this step is finished, it's time to measure the total length of the lines and quantity of the lines. Measuring total number of quantity is simple. Select all the lines and go to the block option. And here you can see the total number of the objects you have selected. Simple as that. But to measure the total length of the line, you need a list file. I have given the link to download the list file in the description. You can download the file using that link. Once downloaded, load the list file using the upload command as I am showing here. Now you need a command to measure the total length of the line. So how can we find out the command? For that, simply open the list file and under the definition function, you can find the code TL. This is the command you have to use in AutoCAD to measure the total length of the lines. Type TL in AutoCAD, click on enter and then select the lines you want to measure. Once all the lines are selected, click the space button or click the right mouse button. Now you can see the total length of the lines we have selected. That's it. And this is the best method you can use to measure the total length of any type of lines. I hope all of you have understood the trick I have explained here, and with this we have reached the end of the video. If you like this tutorial, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and we will meet again with a new video. Until then, bye bye.